You are watching
Wild Discovery Kids, beautiful and charming.
What if I told you that somewhere in the ocean, a creature alive today may have been born before your great-great-grandparents? While humans build cities and civilizations rise and fall, some ocean animals simply keep living. Not for years, not for decades, but for centuries. One silent swimmer may live longer than almost any human in history. And one tiny jellyfish may never truly grow old at all. Scientists call it biological immortality, and it is real. The ocean hides time travelers in plain sight. Creatures that were alive before electricity. Before airplanes. And even before some countries existed. But how do these animals live so long? What secret protects their bodies from aging?
Hey, good viewers!
If you like us, press like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon.
And could humans ever learn their secret? Today, we dive deeper than ever before. To meet the oldest living creatures in the ocean. Some of what you are about to see still surprises scientists today. Get ready, ocean explorers.
Discover the secrets of nature's ancient survivors. From the deep sea to ancient forests, these creatures hold keys to longevity.
The older life becomes.
Meet the Greenland shark, a true giant of the Arctic waters. This shark can live over 400 years, older than most human civilizations.
Beneath the waves lie the ocean's oldest secrets, hidden for millennia. What ancient mysteries do these depths hold?
It grows only about 1 centimeter a year, making every year precious.
Imagine swimming in the ocean while centuries pass by unnoticed. These silent swimmers have seen generations of humans come and go. Yet they remain a mystery, largely unexplored.
No predator dares challenge them, and they quietly dominate their world. Despite their size, they feed slowly on fish and carrion.
Life in their icy home is slow and measured, just like them. And they remind us that longevity comes in patience and balance.
Now meet the immortal jellyfish, a tiny creature that may never truly grow old. When stressed or old, it can revert back to its juvenile stage. This biological trick allows it to live potentially forever.
Unlike humans, they repeat youth and avoid death. It's nature's secret to immortality in action. They may not be the strongest, but they survive in a magical way. And the ocean holds many such mysteries.
Meet the ocean quahog, a small clam with a huge secret.
If you like us, press like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon.
It spends centuries buried in the sand, quietly growing. Its growth rings are like pages of history in the ocean.
This small creature has survived ice ages and human history.
It reminds us that age does not always mean size or strength. Centuries pass, and it continues its slow, steady life. Life moves differently under the sea.
Every creature, big or small, plays a role in this ancient world.
And some of the oldest secrets remain hidden below the surface.
Giant sponges may live thousands of years, forming living underwater towers. They filter water and create habitats for countless smaller animals.
Patience and simplicity help them survive for millennia.
They provide shelter, food, and protection for many ocean residents.
Life thrives even in the deepest, darkest places. Slow, steady growth can make even the smallest beings giants of time.
Every breath they take benefits the ocean ecosystem.
Their presence is ancient, silent, and essential. And while they live so long, most of us never notice them. The deep ocean continues its quiet, timeless rhythm.
Orange roughy fish may live up to 150 years, moving slowly through the ocean.
Their slow metabolism allows them to age gracefully.
Some crabs live decades, steadily growing with each molt. Coral colonies can survive thousands of years, hosting generations of life.
They are the foundation of underwater cities.
Giant clams may live over 100 years, slowly filtering life from the sea. Even small creatures form partnerships that last decades. Some urchins can live over 200 years. From tiny worms to giant sharks, the ocean is a place where time moves differently, and some creatures hold its oldest secrets.
Deeper we go, the mysteries grow, and life adapts in ways we can barely imagine. Some creatures glow to attract food, some to hide from predators. Millions of tiny lights turn the dark ocean into a magical universe. The giant squid remains one of the ocean's greatest secrets.
With eyes the size of dinner plates, it sees more than we ever could.
Ancient currents carry these creatures across the seas, connecting worlds unseen. Some species have survived ice ages, warming oceans, and human curiosity alike.
Here, life seems frozen in time, yet full of wonder.
The ocean holds secrets older than any human story we know. Remember, some creatures live for centuries, quiet witnesses to history.
While small, their secret of eternal youth inspires scientists worldwide. Living hundreds of years under the sand, it silently marks the passage of time. Living hundreds of years under the sand, it silently marks the passage of time.
Some sponges grow for thousands of years, forming underwater towers of life. Coral colonies may survive centuries, giving homes to countless animals. Even short-lived creatures play their part in this eternal cycle. Glowing forests of the deep create a rhythm all their own. Silent giants pass unseen, ancient and wise. From the tiniest plankton to the largest shark, life continues in harmony. The ocean is alive with stories we have yet to discover. But some creatures are so mysterious, even scientists don't know their age. Could they live for 1,000 years or more? Some may have been alive before humans even walked the earth. And some remain hidden in places we cannot yet explore. What secrets do they hold about the history of the ocean? Do they have special abilities to survive so long? We will meet creatures that have lived longer than any human, some for hundreds, some for thousands of years.
From immortal jellyfish to ancient sharks, their stories are astonishing.
Don't miss the next episode. The ocean's oldest secrets are waiting to be discovered.
Hey, good viewers.
If you like us, press like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon.